Everybody, it is Kate Toretto here. So for today's video, I am finally leaving Abbottabad. I'm kind of leaving Abbottabad with a heavy heart, and we are going to Nathia Gali. As you can see at my back, that's where we will be going. So let's go, tara. I'm excited. And again, before I start this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification buttons on, and then let's start this journey. Let's go. Everybody, good afternoon from me, Kate Toretto here. So for today, ganda ko para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Everybody, so ayun, medyo na-interrupt kami. So we were like a bit interrupted by the police once again because they want to make sure that I will be able to leave Abbottabad safely. So we have an escort. Yeah, like as you can see in front of us, there are like 2 officers that's riding the motorcycle. Yeah, a monkey. Uy, may monkey. May monkey. Hala. So we na-distract. Everybody, so we are done with our security escort. So we have arrived here in Nathia Gali. So ayun. To Abbottabad, KPK police officers, militaries, and everyone who assisted me, thank you all very much. Appreciate the security from the first day. And please go visit Abbottabad. Weather is one of the best weather. It's giving you the city vibes and then the countryside vibes, and then to like those nature adventure seeker, Abbottabad is like one of the best place to go because the weather is really nice. That I can assure you. Let me show you a bit of the place. Ay, may pa waterfall na naman palang magaganap, syukre. Nathia Gali Church, Nathia Gali Park. Oh my God, we have arrived. Ganda here, super lamig. I like that. Love that. Everybody, medyo maulan lang, which we actually expected. Expected namin na maulan here. Same in Abbottabad. I think Abbottabad, Nathia Gali, and Marie. Unexpected rain. So if you're planning to visit here, please don't forget. I'm loving the vibes as early as this. If you're planning to visit here, bring your umbrella, raincoat, tapos panglamig. Okay, this is one of the place in Pakistan na nag-i-snow. So if you will go here ng winter time, manginig kayo. Manginig kayo. Kaya summer ako pumupunta ng Pakistan kasi they have places na good for summer. Everybody, it's official. Official naman na. But yeah, we are like in kind of like in a busy place of Nathia Gali. So ayun. So yeah, we're just like doing some little conversations with the police officers, with the security. So I think my security in Abbottabad kind of arranged another security for me here in Nathia Gali. The security is securing para ako naglalakad na VIP every single time. Assalamualaikum. Singayi.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Good. So ayun, we're just gonna go out. I'm looking for booking.com, like a place where we can stay, but not a lot of options. I know this, in places like Nathia Gali, Marie, try to go to book a hotel that's here. So mag-search ka pag nandito ka na because it's not really gonna be in how do you call this? To booking.com tapos any other booking applications for hotel. Okay, so yun, just letting you know. So it's easier for you, ganon. They're so nice. They're securing me a lot. Kahit hindi naman ako kailangan dapat secure. Sa Malabon nga, binabatukan lang ako ng mga kuya ko. Ayayin ko kaya mga kuya ko dito, sabihin ko, dito nyo ako batukan sa Pakistan. Sapakin kayo ng mga security ko. Chares! How do you see this? Alam mong maginaw na, may dala akong jacket. Hoy, prepared na ako this time. Yes, may dala akong mga jacket. I have everything I needed. Hoy, busy streets of Nathia Gali. Oh, ang bongga, di ba? Hoy, everybody, Nathia Gali. Oh, hoy, fog. Tapos yung bibig ko nag-uusok siya. Gusto ko dito. Hoy, ang saya naman nito. Gusto ko dito. Ang lamig. Tari. Ay, 3 na yung security ko. Ang gapo pa nung isa, Panginoon ko. Paano ko to aanuhin? Salamat. Oy, site nyo. Hala. Diyos ko, yung police ko. Yung security ko. Diyos ko po. Sir, hulihin nyo na ako. Wala kayo maririnig. Gusto ko magpahuli kayo, sir. Sir, hulihin mo ako. Say hi. Hello. Yung security dito. Apo, shootan ako ba kanya? Tawa?
He's a security guy over here who will follow us.
Ah, okay, siya pala. Oh, sila daw yung security. Diyos ko po, yung gwapo nung kasama. Sakto yung security ko. Diyos ko, magta 2 weeks ako dito. Siya daw yung sasama sa amin. Diyos ko, kahit hanggang bahay niyo, sasama ako. Wala ka maririnig. Shukriya. Shukriya. Take care. Shukriya. Hi! Ang gwapo ng security ko. Uy, Diyos ko po yung security ko, day. Wala. Wala na. Di na makakagawa ng content na to. Diyos ka ba? Walang tao. There, oh. Maybe that's the guy. Ah, okay. Maybe, mali mo lang naman. Parang alam nila yung tamang mukhang hinanpick nila yung security ko. Diyos ka, Panginoon. Sorry naman. Uy, sorry naman. Hindi ako makapag-focus. Hamza, can you hold this for me? Hamza? Shukriya. Security ko. Diyos ko daw yung security ko. Parang... Diyos ko daw. Hindi ako makapag-focus. Yung security ko is securing. Hi, we are also exploring a hotel right now. So we are trying to find the best budget hotels. So if you're going here, you can use this video as your guide to have the cheapest place. Because again, I'm not maarte when it comes to sleeping as long as wala lang bed bugs. And here you don't need AC because it's super malamig. I don't know if you can see it from here, but my mouth is releasing the smoke. The smoke! Diyos ko po, yung security ko, mami. Wala ka talagang talo sa Pakistan, mami. Mag-behave ako, mamaya panoorin na to. Sabihin ko, ano sinabi pala sa akin na ito. Talaga naman. Hi! Yung mga bar. Hi! Up ka nam kya hai? Bibi Sara. Bibi Sara. Up ka nam kya hai? Umar. Ay, para dumami na sila. Up ka nam kya hai? Assalamualaikum. Ay, dumadami na kayo. Ganda ng mga bata sa Pakistan, no? Hi, it's gonna be, ano ba? Hamsay, this is episode 7, no? 7, yeah. Okay, again, everybody, it's Kay Toretto here, officially welcoming you to Nafia Gali. So, yun, we're looking for rooms here, ganon. Tingnan namin kung ano yung cheapest na pwede nating mahanap. So, ayun lang naman. Yun lang. Yung security ko, mami, hindi ako makapag-focus. Parang, gusto ko na lang gumawa ng krimen, sa totoo lang. Parang, sir, may sinaksak ako kagabi. Joke lang. So, I'm trying. Hindi ako dumidikit muna, humiwalay muna ako kasi kinikilig ako dahil kinikilig ako sa security ko, mami.
Be careful about your laptop.
Yeah. For sure. Just put it here. The life of travelers, everybody. Ganito talaga ang buhay ko. Kaya ano tayo ng konting pang-budget kasi ano to, yung first few hotel namin is like, if you're, I think, actually kung for 3 days lang naman kayo dito na kayo sa main road, okay? But if you're like a budget traveler like me, medyo umiwas tayo dyan. 5,000 is, around 60 dirhams, okay? That's very affordable. But again, we are trying to find the best place, cheaper hotel, but not that far from here, from the main road. But again, we don't need to be here because we have car naman. So at least 1 to 2 kilometers away would be okay. Like 2 to 3 minutes ride would be okay. Hoy, super traffic right now.
Okay, thank you.
Super traffic right now. But I like it. It looks so busy. Ang saya. Ang dami nangyayari sa Nafia Gali. I love that. Gusto ko to. Hoy, so ayun. I will try to, I told may kasama na I will try to ask for myself. Gusto ko ng mangga. Yung mangga ko, nadala ko ba? Ano ba to? Saan ba tong inn na to? Aray. Where is this Paradise Inn?
Paradise.
Where? Down? Okay. Down daw. Ay, baba lang daw ako. Wait madulas. Kahinaan ko to. Kung ganito yung security, bigyan niyo po akong 10. Wala po kayo maririnig sa akin. Araw-araw tayo, sabay-sabay tayong kumain. Tres. Reception?
Reception is coming here.
Room no available.
Available? Oh, ayun, yung security ko. Hindi ako makapag-focus sa vlog. Everybody to who's watching this, comment down below. I-add to cart nyo na yan. Chares! Hoy, we're enough with the, sa paghahanap ng hotel because we have a car so we can literally keep our bags here and everything. Hoy, everybody. Yung security ko laging nasa likod ko. Diyos ko po. Dala mo sa Pinas ng jowain ko yan. Charis. Hoy, everybody. So we have find our first stop here, which is gonna have fries and then explore Nathia Gali for a day. And then after that, we are heading a bit in the middle of Nathia Gali and Marie. The police officer is securing. Charis. Hi everybody, so yeah, we have explored a little bit of upstairs, a bit of mountain. Sa top of the mountain, dinala ko ni Hamza doon. Oh. Again everybody, if you need a tour, private tour, Hamza can help you with that, just like what he's doing for me right now. He can also assist a bit of security clearance and everything as long as you have all the documents needed, okay? He got his own car, so yun lang. Fuel lang kayo, and then it will depend kung magkano yung price, depends kung ano yung pupuntahan nyo and how much time will you consume if kasama nyo siya. But he's gonna be knowledgeable. Ayun yung sobrang, for the first time, yung tour guide na alam yung ginagawa. For the first time, a tour guide who would actually do what you want. So it's win-win situation tayo this time. So I'm glad I met him on the first few days of my trip, and now I was kind of able to go to Nathia Gali smooth and basta all the informations that you will be needing. Kasi taga dito siya eh. He's from Abbottabad, so yeah. So the Filipino out there, people from Dubai, if you also want to do the same tour that I did here in Nathia Gali, not just in Nathia Gali, okay? Abbottabad and some other places, as long as he can access it, then he would assist you. I will link his because he's so nice. You know that I don't do this, but if I really like someone, with or without kahit anong promotion yan, I will, because I think every travelers deserves that. Oh, ganda ng Nathia Gali. It's just a bit busy, but the weather here is something that you would really love. Again, if you want, Hamza, if they like snow, come here on winter time, yeah? It snows here and speaks English fluent, okay? Di kayo mahihirapan. Ako ngayon nahihirapan actually. Ako yung nag-a-adjust. Kasi ako hindi makaintindi. Magaling siya. Oh, alam niyo na ha, go. Tapos mala niya ibigay din sa inyo yung same ko. Diba? Sa likod ko talaga naman. Hi everybody! So we have done 2 check rooms. Okay, the reason why we check rooms is because that's gonna be for the future preference, okay? Because I was planning to stay here in Nathia Gali. Talaga naman, ang aga ng revelation. But I'm planning to stay here on winter kasi. So I checked it now. So that's the reason why I really wanna go here. So we're just gonna make just a quick stop here, have chai. Of course, walang katapusan chai. We will try lahat ng chai kahit saan ako pumunta. Hindi natin patatawarin yan. And then we're gonna have dinner here as well. So ayun. And then we're gonna go Marie. So that's gonna be our last stop for tonight because I will be visiting my cafe owner friend there. So ayun, let's go. Let's explore Nathia Gali. My God, I'm so excited to show you here kapag nag-winter na, yung tipong snow na talaga when the snow is falling down. Okay, let's go everybody. Once again, welcome to Nathia Gali. Oh, social. Ang social. Talaga naman. Medyo pricey lang dito, but for holidays, ibigay nyo na sa sarili nyo yan, okay? Gusto mo nag-uusap sila. Diba? Ay, binlag. Anong pinag-uusapan ninyo, Hamza? Hi again, Hamza, ha? Just to remind you that Hamza has been almost how many days now? He has been the one who's been giving me the tour and everything for a very affordable price. Yes. I'm on a budget, but if I'm not on a budget, sabi ko nga kay Hamza, chinika ko, if I'm not a budget traveler right now, madali ang buhay nating dalawa. So ayun, pwede niyo siyang isama. How many days you wanted, you just have to make sure that you make plans with him. Okay, yung mga ganong arrangement lang. Tapos yung car namin small lang. It's good for at least, let's say 2. Mga ganyan, 2 to 3. Kasi you have your bags pa eh. Diba? Pero kung isang bag lang naman kayo, maliit lang talaga, mga pang 3 days, 5 days, carry ang kaya niya, lagay niyo lang iupo niyo lang sa sarili niyo. So, ayun, let's go.
You can actually get chai, a good chai from there.
It's actually a good chai. I am looking for a chai, by the way. How much?
ये कितने का? 2K.
Ah, okay. Later when we come back. Ay, move.
I know a better spot that I was talking about, the chicken spot.
Ah,
It's
okay.
like a specialty of Nathia Gali.
Ay, shukriya. Let's have chai first, dinner later. Maaga pa. It's too early to have dinner. Ano pa lang, 3:30. So we're not gonna go for dinner yet. Chai muna tayo. Konting explore lang to. So basically, para lang siyang day tour, ha? Just so you know. Ay, may pa-tiktoking si kuya. Good shot? Good shot? Say hi, hello, salamalaikum. May dalawa-dalawa siyang phone eh. Talaga naman si kuya eh. Oh. Shukriya. O ayun, maghanap tayo ng chai. Mag-ikot tayo, lakarin natin to. Oo. Para ka lang nasa Marie, pero mas malamig. At mas mahal. Sabi ko, parang hindi ito pang budget travelers. Parang mali naman din. Parang mali din naman. Ano ba kuya? Saan ba tayo pupunta? Hoy, medyo matagal na ako hindi nakakapag-momo. Sa India pa ako nag-last momo. Sa ano? Saan ba yun? Saan ba ka nag-momo sa India? Sa Delhi. Sa New Delhi. Doon pa ako nag-momo. Pero later na yan, for dinner na. Let's save that for the dinner. Let's have chai. Ang tali naman ng Taj Mahal. Nababasa niyo ba yon? The old original Taj Mahal. May sinasabi si Hamza. What?
Because it's like a good food, plus Patakha chicken is a specialty of Nathia Gali. Earlier I was talking about the chicken spot.
So mahilig doon yung mga tao sa French fries dito. So ano ako sa French fries?
But it's very spicy.
The French fries, very spicy.
No, the Patakha chicken.
Ah, okay. Cute yung mga bagets, oh. Oh. Yung mga tao dito, nade-depress ako. Alam mo, the two countries that I feel depressed because of the beauty of the people. Number 1, Pakistan, of course. And then number 2, Thailand. Naano ako sa Thailand, mami. Na-depress ako. But mostly talaga, basta iba yung labanan sa Thailand, ba? Talagang bugbugan. Oh, ito naman yung security ko. Oh, ito naman. More exposure ko siya, mami. Kasi para sa akin na din naman to. Kasi na-enjoy ko naman talaga yung mukha niya, mami. Ang sarap tignan yung... Kugugising ka ng ganyan yung itsura ng kasama mo. Araw-araw ka, para kanino ka gumigising? Para sa security ko. So, ayun. So, ayun na, bit of exploration. Prescribed talaga yung mga Pakistani. Sakit sa puson. Like a chai with a good view. I think this is the end, no?
Yeah.
Kaya we're almost reaching the end. I haven't found my chai yet. But let's go. Let's keep walking. Taray naman ng K Hotel International. Hoy! I found my own hotel. K Hotel International. Oh, I told you. Sabi ko sa inyo, I was meant to go here eh. Ayun. Oh, let's go na. Let's keep walking, everybody. Maghanap tayo ng chayining. Let me show you a bit of the place. There's a chai spot there daw. Uy, ang saya naman. Wait lang, ano to? Tignan nga natin. Maging pakailamera tayo. Naku, marami na namang pagkain. Salam. Marami na namang pagkain, mami. The ice cream is ice creaming, oh. Ay! Ang kulay naman dito, ang ganda. Ay! Pang-wedding, ang social. Hamza, puro kayo pagmamarites dalawa dyan. Puro sila mga pagbubulong pag wala ako, hindi ako nakatingin. You see this? The one that your auntie gave me, it kind of looks like this.
ये बलोची dress है ना? ये बलोची है ना?
Ganda.
That's actually Balochistan's culture.
Ah, this one.
Yep.
Ganda. Great. Great naman pala. Ganda. Gusto ko yan.
Maybe Balochistan's, or I'm not sure about it. But mostly
Okay.
Balochistan clothes has these mirrors and this kind of stuff.
Okay. Yung dress niya parang may small mirroring, ganon. Shukriya. Super bad. Oh, see, I told you, oh.
Yeah.
It looks like the one your aunt gave me. Hoy, ang ganda. Yung security ko. Pag tumatawa ko, nag-i-smirk siya, gumaganto siya. Hindi ko maano yung Is that the chai? Hoy, dito tayo bumili ng chai. May chai na ako nakita, tara. Hey, buddy, we found the chai. So, this is where we're gonna be having our chai. Maraming bumibili. So, that's a good sign. Always yan na when you travel, if you don't know the place, always go for the places na maraming bumibili. Guaranteed yan. You don't even have to ask the locals. We asked Naim, our security, where is the best chai? Sabi niya, everywhere tastes the same. Dito na tayo, maraming nakaupo. Is it chai or coffee?
Chai.
They have chai? Wait, where is he? Saan yung gumagawa? O sige, magtanong tayo if they have chai. Wait lang natin. Marami siyang customer. No, he's still doing it. Let's wait for him. Marami siyang customer. Ay. Ang ganda ng weather sa Natyagal. Gusto ko na dito. Kasi ang mahal ng kalupaan, nagtatanong-tanong ako, Diyos ko po, parang ugod-ugod na ako bago pa ako makabili ng kalupaan sa Pakistan. I don't even know where did you get that information na. I think it's because of the media before, the Western media. I think that's the reason why everyone thinks that Pakistani are like poor. They don't have water, they don't have this. Go to Pakistan. I'm telling you as early as now, everything that you've known from before will change. You have chai, coffee nahi, chai.
चाय भी है कॉफी भी है दोनों चीजें हैं
Chai.
चाय
Yeah, chai. Kitne?
200 रुपया बस
How much is that?
200
200 chai? Okay, we will see how do you do. 200 ha? So it's a special chai. Kasi 200, okay. It's okay, you say hi to the camera. Mahihain siya, ang gwapo pa naman. Oh, ayan na. May pa-chaying na tayong nagaganap at the very mo. Say hi. Pak, hi. Mahihain. Uy, grabe mo. Face card talaga. Mami, yung tagagawa ng chai dito. Bibili ko ng Honda Civic to eh. Diyos ko po. Chai pa lang sapat na, mami. Isama mo na rin yung gumagawa. Chares! Grabe yung face card nila sa Pakistan. Okay, can I show a little? The chai is... Ay! Binabarista naman pala tayo. Ang chai niya, pinakukulo naman pala ng malala. Okay, the 200 is worth it kasi may pa coffee making na nagaganap. Okay, let's do the chai. Let's do it. Chai is ready. Okay, when you say, if basic, I learned this. Sir, may nagturo sa akin ito. Si Hamsa Police, si Mr. Jadun Police Officer. Sabi niya, if you wanna ask someone how much, kita na. O, diba, ganon. Kita na.
Bandar yan!
Nagkakagulo. Ay, check out, the 100 rupee. In case hindi nyo pa nakikita yung money ng Pakistan. This is like what the 100 rupee looks like. Oh. Ay, the chai is chaying. Shukriya. What? Wait, give me one. Do you wanna taste it, Hamza? Baka gusto mo tikman, Hamza. Nadidistract talaga ako sa ko. Sa security ko. Binubulong ko na kasi nahiya ako. Ang gwapo, nakakabuhisit. Alam niyo, first time ko nahiya. First time ko nahiya sa pogi. Sa security ko lang to nangyari. Grabe kasi yung titig niya, girl. Gusto mong gumawa ng krimen na parang, sige na, hulihin nyo na ako. Ay, chai cater to approve. Asan tayo? That's the Taj Mahal. The original Taj Mahal Hotel and Restaurant. Tapos, slowly. Hanapin nyo si Kuyang Guapings. Chai, approve. Cater to approve yung chai. Milky, foamy, masarap. Nahiya siya. Maria. Maria. Beautiful eyes. She got beautiful eyes.
Yeah, mashallah.
How old is she?
She's 4.
Do you live here, Natia? Where do you stay? Where do you live?
We are not living here.
Where?
I'm originally from Dubai.
I live in Dubai.
Yeah.
Where in Dubai?
I'm living in, name called La Mer.
La Mer. Yeah, JB. Yeah. La Mer.
So been to Dubai or you're living?
I lived there for the last 5 years.
You're living over there.
Yeah.
In La Mer.
Yeah. That's such a nice place. Expensive place. Yayamanen.
My kids want to know your channel's name.
Sir Kid?
Yeah.
Who else is? How many kids do you have? I can see a lot. Sorry, Hello.
That one is my elder daughter over there.
How old are you? Wait, you look young.
I am young.
Wait, let me guess. How many kids do you have first? 4.
Yeah.
Like 36, 37, like that. Yeah, I'm right. How old are you?
36.
See, I know. Parang na-miss ko tuloy magtrabaho sa Dubai, uy. Tapos daling ko yung mga bata dito. Kuya, ang sarap ng chai. Kayo to approve. Hanapin nyo to si... Asan na si Kuya? Chai is good. Sa mga hindi pa masyadong... sa mga hindi pa masyadong sanay mag-chai. Ito yung mga starter pack ng chai. Yung mga foamy, milky, ganyan. Pero ako, I like strong. If you put more tea, I love that. Let's keep walking. Let's explore the place. Ano ba yan? What is this?
Perfume.
Perfume.
Manila.
Sorry, Manila.
Manila, your capital.
Yeah. Capitals, Manila. Yeah. You live here, Nathia? You live in Nathia Gali?
My home is Abbottabad.
Abtabad. We were there. Nice meeting. What's your
I
name?
am old. My name is Gul.
How can that's so heavy?
My name is Muhammad Gul Nawaz.
Muhammad Gulbalas. I'm good. How you see him?
You are
Philippines. Yeah.
In Saudi, new Muslim.
Yeah.
You are Philippines.
In the Philippines, I think it's in Zamboanga. Yeah, somewhere in Mindanao. Yeah. Oh, hi to my Muslim brothers. Somewhere in Zamboanga and Mindanao. To all my Muslim brothers and sisters. Hello. Yeah. Nice meeting you. I hope that you have a great day. Thank you. Shukriya. If you see him, please buy naman. Sorry, we're on a budget and I cannot bring it. So we are saving as well. But thank you. I hope the people who watch you will buy something from you.
Thanks.
You can tell them to buy something from you.
Bye. Thank you.
Or if you see him, please, please. It's heavy. His bag is heavy. Please buy something from him. Thank you.
Thank you.
Pwede palang gumawa ng chai ng ganun. Yeah. Okay. I was talking to myself. Hoy, pwede palang gumawa ng chai ng ganun, yung parang binabarista mo. Masarap siya, ang creamy niya. Bet siya, actually. Ang sarap ng chai. Na-enjoy ko siya. Kasi 200, mami. It's not much, but for chai here, usually it only costs like around 50 rupees lang. Max na yung 70. This is my first ever 200 chai. Mamatay. 3 months in Pakistan. Last year, never ko na-experience yan. Ito talaga. This is the most expensive chai na, expensive na talaga. Baka ibagsak sa ulo ko to, mami. Lumayo tayo. Binagsak sa ulo ko, no? Salam alaikum. Ang kita mga Pakistani, no? When they say you, they really say hi. Tapos talagang dinudungaw yung mga ulo sa kotse. Sa Pinas, wala namang gumagawa sa akin ito. Nilalaro lang nila ako sa Pinas. Okay, let's be honest, walang may pakialam. Natatawa na siya. Let's be honest, walang may pakialam sa akin sa Pinas aside from my followers, of course. Grabe yung standard ng fame sa Pinas. Like you really you really have to be on mainstream. As long as wala ka sa TV, parang still nasa ganito ka. But in Pakistan, foreigner ka lang, VIP ka na, may security ka na, kompleto lahat. Okay, we're gonna make the wed. Can you go? Cross the streets. I will follow you. Natakot. Ginamit yung security kasi humihinto sila pagkasama ko siya. Sorry naman. First time lang ako gumamit ng ganyan. Gamitin mo yung yung pribilehiyo minsan. Sa pagtawid lang, I can do anything, but pagtawid, I'm scared baka mamatay talaga ako. It's been a while since I was, doing a lot of tawid thing. The tawid is making me dead. Pinatay. Local market tayo. Set lang natin ng very light, mabilisan yung local markets just so I can show you what they have here. Again, Nathia Gali, if you're visiting from Dubai, anywhere in GCC, I recommend Nathia Gali at least 3 days. 3 days, sorry. I love Marie because I have friend there. Mahal ako ng Marie, sorry naman. But maybe, who knows? We'll find a good friends here in Nathia Gali, but Marie, they know me there. Once I'm back in Marie, they just love me. Sorry? What is this?
Chinese whiskey.
Huh? China. Philippines. Philippine. Can you ask where is he from here? Look at the eyes.
आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं अफगानिस्तान.
Kaya. Basta mga taga Afghanistan, may blue-green eyes yan, like oceanic blue. What is this for? For beds? For beds?
ये किस लिए
What is this for?
शलवार कुर्ता.
Panggawa ng clothes. Ang ganda. Yeah, ang
Full
ganda.
color.
Full color. Yeah, all color. Ang ganda, syempre.
Good was that?
It's actually
2,000, yeah. Huh?
Like unstitched clothes.
Yeah. I've seen this in Swabi. See, yung learning ko talaga, tawag ito. Kung saan talaga ako natuto, ang dami ko natutunan sa Swabi, sabog talaga. Parang pwede mo lang akong daling kahit sa parte ng Pakistan kasi the things that I've seen and the things that I've learned in Swabi, pwede kong daling kahit saan ako pumunta sa Pakistan. It was nice meeting you, Shukriya. Hoy, let's support the local market, ha? Tapos makikita yung mga gamit ko branded. Sira ulo din ako, di ba? Dami nangyayari dito. Parang dami nangyayari dito, no? Hoy, once again, ha, let's thank the KPK police for always, you know, giving. No, it's okay. For giving us for assisting us all the way since the first day that I arrived in Abbottabad. 24/7 security. Only in Pakistan you will experience that. They wanna give me like 4 security, but it's too much. Isa lang talaga. Pwede na yun. Let's go. But just to let you know, I'm not supposed to have any security here, by the way. Kaso feeling ko na ano lang, na si Amzam, sa Mr. Police Jadun Officer, I think, and his friends as well, they arranged it for us. Nang di namin know. So pagdating ko dito, naka-ready na yung security. Literal na, yung mismo magpaparka namin, meron na. This is my name. You can remember it? It's Kay Toretto. Okay? Yeah. Picture. Can you do like this? Salam. You know the height. This is Korean. She wants to do it. The height. Love from the Philippines to Pakistan. May pahabol pa. Let's go. Ay, more. Okay, let's go. Kayo talaga. Text picture. Nakatingin siya sa camera. Nalibang na siya. Shukriya. Bye. Nakaka-artista talaga to. Ito, tropa ko. Ang kulit mo. Umuwi ka sa inyo. Umuwi ka na. Kayo na kape. Shukriya. Okay, let's have the chicken. I think we should have the chicken here. What do you think? As long as it's not spicy, no? Okay, so if you remember the chicken we checked earlier sa start ng vlog ko, so that's where we are eating right now. At hindi kami magkakabili pulaw kasi kawawa naman si Hamza. Sabi niya, ever since na nag-arrive tayo, kabili pulaw na yung kinakain. Sorry naman. Favorite ko kasi talaga yung kaya ko kumain ng kabili pulaw. Dahil na ano siya, napurga ko siya sa kabili pulaw. Sabi niya sa akin kagabi, please tell me that we're not eating kabili pulaw tonight. Sabi ko, yes, we are not. So if you watch the previous episode, we went to Shinwari. We had chicken karai. Hoy, I recommend that place. Shukriya. So if you are going to Abbottabad, if you know anyone in Abbottabad, the restaurant that I ate, this is not promotion. Once again, I promoted myself kapag gusto ko lang talaga. Okay? Hi everybody! So na 1, 2, 3 para-paraan natin yung security natin for today's video. We would just like to actually thank them for being with us. We're not supposed to have any security for today's video. But again, I think the Abbottabad police, where I came from, arranged it for us beforehand, yeah? So yeah, when we arrived here in Natyagali, it's already like securities are waiting for us. And then, yeah, so ayan. We thank you very much. Thanks daw. We invited him na because he's joining our dinner. So ayan. Dinagdag lang natin yung exposure niya. Sinamantala lang, mami. Charas na joke lang. But yeah, if you come here, I'm not sure if security is actually necessary. But I requested it so many times not to have one. But don't feel, the place looks really safe. But just for, I think really the place really looks safe for me. It doesn't really, but let's just accept it. They gave one and then they gave it. So ayun. In case lang na in the future you're coming here, they will give you security. Are they gonna be staying? For example, you have hotel. Are they what's?
They'll just escort you to your locations and just follow you for your security.
Okay.
And then they have a specific time for their duties and they
okay, that's good. Okay, so unlike in Abbottabad where I had my security 24/7, here they will just escort you sa hotel mo, and then I don't know how the rotation works with their shift, with their duty and that, but yeah, that's gonna be okay. Say bye-bye. Ay, may Uy, the food is here. Ito yung gusto ko, yung roti. Ay!
monkeys.
Ay, may monkey daw. Sa akin talaga sila tumingin lahat. Hoy, yung unggoy. Baka agawin yung manok ko. Let me show you the chickening. Oh. Hoy. Oh. Hoy, oh. The chicken is chickening. Dalian natin kumain kasi lalamig yung roti. The favorite forever, roti. Mas gusto ko yung roti kaysa sa naan. I like this. So, ayun. Let's eat. Okay, let's go. Hoy, daunang kagat. Daunang kagat. Tikman natin. Ito yung nirecommend nila. I don't know it, but binili ko na lang. Siya naman yung nasa top ng menu. Oh, that's how you call it. Chicken saji. Halo siya. Tatagal pa. Can we exchange? I like the toasted. Hi. The roti is rotting. Gusto ko talaga to. Yung security ko, natatawa sa akin. Pero hindi niya lang maipakita yung mukha niya kasi nahihiya siya. What? Eat.
Yeah, you can.
It's okay. Eat na. Tell him to eat now. The roti will become cold.
खाएं सर वो ठंडी हो जाएगी डालें
Jaldi. Ay, ang sarap nito. Ano to? Raita? Sabi ko na eh.
This is the right and that's yum.
Ay, can I use my hand? Sorry Yeah, eat. Ay, may patulong naman pala. Kala ko hihiwain niya for me. Mas magugustuhan ko yun. Security ko, mayain. Oh, go. Binalik ko na. Eat na. I don't want to eat alone.
You start first.
Ayoko talaga nung pinapauna ako sa lap. Hindi ako nakahappy doon. Sorry naman. Ayoko talaga ng ganun. Gusto ko sabay-sabay kakain. Hinuhusgahan ko at the moment kung ano yung lasa. Di ba?
You can have it on.
I just put it here then. Alam na nila, di ba, yung mga gusto ko. Sorry. Yung mga ganyan treatment, gusto ko yan. O yung lasa niya, lasang manok. Tastes like chicken. Na may chili. Normal, usual. Hindi ko naman hype. Try natin lagyan ng lemon. Mema lang, kung magbabagal yung lasa. With the lemon. Okay. Why are you shy? Yes. You said yes?
Yeah.
Remember Armanula?
Yeah.
First few days, he kind of shy to me.
Yeah.
But after that, when there's picture, he's also joining. Hi everybody, that's gonna be it. I hope na-enjoy niyo yung I hope that you were able to enjoy Natia Gali. I was able to show you like how Natia Gali looks like, the touch of their local and culture here in Pakistan. And again, the weather in Natia Gali is one of the best weather right now. Habang iinitan kayo somewhere around the world, heto ako giniginaw dito. Okay everybody, so that's gonna be it. So we are leaving Natia Gali. It was a great experience, just few hours here, but it's kind of really memorable naman. So ayun, we are going somewhere. We are heading to our next destination, but that's gonna be like my next episode. So again, I hope that you enjoyed watching this episode of mine, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Again, salam. So again, this is Kate Redo. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, we're closing this vlog, this episode in the busy streets of Natia Gali. I hope that you're doing I hope that you're doing good. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Sorry naman, pagod. Oh, ayun na yan. Bye-bye. Everybody, it's a bonus clip. So ayun. Medyo nabunot tayo in Pakistan for the last 7 days. Yes, so my security, yeah. Ayan. Talagang tuloy-tuloy siya everywhere I go. Talagang ang bongga. Anyways, let's just try to enjoy everything. Bunot tayo sa sa Pakistan. Na-link talaga yung security ko this time, mami. So ayun, yun yung short bonus clip natin. Medyo naka-idlip ako. Sobrang pagod ko kasi sunod-sunod din yung episodes nito, to be honest. So ayun. Pagoda na si Mami. Pagoda, but we need power because I'm trying to may nahabol tayong schedule. Okay, let's go, let's do it. Thank you for watching this bonus clip. Again, sana na-enjoy niyo yung kalokohan ko kanina. Actually, tawan-tawa rin ako nung pinapanood ko yung mga clip. Tapos yung mga camera ko kay security, kay sir. Mommy, ang gwapo. Diyos ko, kung ganun naman ang ganun yung security. Sige lang, bigyan niyo ako. Pero, still again, I prefer I preferred not to have one. Okay? I'm kind of confident, to be honest, that Pakistan is safe, that I don't need all of this stuff. But again, as part of their protocol for today's video, ayun na nga, bunot tayo, mami, nabunot si Kato ito ng security. Ang inisip ko na lang yung security namin, alam mo kung para saan talaga? Para sa sasakyan namin, pag may nasira, may mag-a-assist sa amin, ganon. Pero safety-wise, hindi ko siya iniisip na para sa safety ko kasi nga, Pakistan is safe. So yan, thank you for watching the bonus clip. Again, see you in my next episode. Bye-bye.